So here I am, we are in this preset here, which is when I saved earlier, and now I can go to here, I see when I edit something here. I can edit anything I want to edit in this particular preset. Now, here's how it works pretty much. Let's go back a little bit here. If I move a slider, then the slider information comes up. You'll see it right here. Information comes up right there. We see the slider information right there. And now what I want to do, I move the slider. It gets information here. I see that I can change. For example, right here, I have control change. That's F1 slider. Now, you see that? I move back here. I can turn this dial. F1 slider has several control changes I can use. I can change the aftertouch and the control change. Now if I go over here and I move this K1, we'll see here that it says K1. And I can control change, turn the value wheel. I have aftertouch also. And I have increase and decrease. So I can change 3 different items here. Now if I hit a pad, we'll say, and we hit this pad, and we'll see here that we have note. And this will have program change. That's all we have there is note and program change for that pad. That's pad number 12. Now once I see those properties, for example, I see, okay, I got my pad 12. I know I can do a program change, and I can also do a note change. See that? Program and note. I can say, well, I'm doing a note change. So I'll press the enter, and now I see the parameter. I can change. It says MIDI channel 3, and we can change the note, which is 78. I can change the note. I can press enter. It's good to go. We're back to note. I can hit this pad here. I want to do maybe a program change. I'll press the enter button, and now I have a control change right here. See, it's MIDI control change, and it's program change there. Here's the bank, and here's the bank L and the bank M. See that right there? I can change that data. I'll change it here, back and forth. See that? I can go to whichever bank right there, back again, or change the data. Let the program change read this. I can press enter, and it's changed. That would be like, for example, I'm going to go to a pad here again, we'll say, and I want to change note. I'll press enter, and then that page 2 comes up. You notice that's page 2 of this edit mode. And here in page 2, I can change any parameter. Once it's entered again, we're back to page 1 of the edit mode. Now the edit mode also works for keyboards. You press the keyboard here, it says set keyboard. Hit a pad, that's P3 for pad. K1 for the knob. F1 for the fader. S2 for the S buttons. Hit a keyboard, and I can change the octave, aftertouch, the velocity. So we can change 3 different parameters here. Now, velocity, or aftertouch even, octave. I can go to here to enter. It's up to, I want to bring it down. So I'm going to bring this down. And I press my octave. That's good. I want to have it there. And now I'll press enter, and I'm good to go. And that's edit mode with the keyboard. So the keyboard also, we can also manipulate the parameters on the keys in the keyboard section. Now one more thing I want to say too, we can do this for anything pretty much on the machine. For example, we're for edit mode, and we do the mod wheel. I change this wheel here, I go back to edit mode, it's there. I go to here, I change this wheel here. These are wheel sets. This is the mod wheel. This is the pitch bend. We'll see this says pitch bend. So in edit mode, we can change anything on our entire keyboard. We can change everything on the entire keyboard that we use to manipulate sound, whether it's the mod wheel, the pads, or the keyboards right here, or it's these buttons here. They appear here in the monitor screen, right there. And once they appear there, you can see what changes you can make to that particular item.